This ain't bad. Yeah, just a simple little rocket. Nothing big. Let's do a couple of these real quick. Probably not an issue. Xanatrino. I'm not sure how loud it is, but
Find out.
whoa, my ears. Oh, screechy.
It would have been good if it had gone up.
Yeah, if it had just gone up, huh? Probably. Oh no. Those are nice. It's Funke Trino. I think not sure. They're F3. Forget what these are called. It's in polar, so I can't really
On the ice.
can't read it. Oh, Trino 4. That's right. Funke Trino 4 on the ice.
Yeah.
Right.
Alright, yeah, this feels good.
Better.
How you do?
Yep. It comes on. You have to do it a couple times. There you go. Oh boy. They all have interesting effects. Yeah, it's really helpful. Like the one. This is it's a call. It's not a quick match fuse. It's a forget what it's called. I know the drill.
Pretty good for a little time.
Yeah, we're good.
Why?
Yeah. Here. That'll fit. 5 grams.
I'll just start.
All right, I'll start back here. Whoop.
One came right towards me.
Wow.
Alright, you gotta send me that. It's gone. It's gone.
Oh, micro doom booms. I got those. So many things here. You know what we should do is if we went far enough, we could do a salute shell on the ice. Hope it goes up. I couldn't even see that. No. I'm not sure who makes them. I think they might be classic or yours. I'm not sure. Okay. Oh. Had a sting? Yeah, I know. Do. And
That's a lot of powder. Holy crap.
yeah. Exploder 5 by Tropic. Yeah, I know Tropic makes those.
4.5 G.
4.5 grams. Oh, that's not as good as the. Oh, whatever.
Yeah, they just make it look
Yeah, let's make it look
good. It
good.
should be Exploder 4.5.
Yeah, those are just some FP3s in there and Thunder Kings. Such a small little fuse. Maybe I could cover it up somehow.
Yeah.
Do you work at one of the stands here?
No,
No, okay.
no guy down the road.
Yeah. Usually come up here to light stuff off because it's all illegal elsewhere. You don't got a lighter? Really?
Got a bunch of it, I just want to test them out and see.
Here, you want to light it? Yeah, you just gotta do it a couple times and it works. It's kind of funky, but. Nice.
Yeah, one's a little louder than the other.
Yeah. Pretty good. It sounded like 4.5 grams.
You make sure to let it go.
Yep. Oh, it didn't do a whole lot, but still cool. Those are nice. Not that good.
If you want to buy one, they'll charge a ridiculously high price. But if you buy like $100 of fireworks,
Oh, it's just getting lower and lower. Yeah.
yeah, everything's super cheap.
All right.
Cool. Awesome. You guys have fun.
Thank you.
Later.
God bless you. All right. Yeah. All right. It's gonna be a good one. Alright, so we got a Dim Boom 5G inside a rocket. Let's hope it doesn't fall out.
Gustoso wania na wolnym power lemon.
Yeah, I can't read. I can't read it either. Mr. Boom 2. So Pyro Bandits makes these. That's right. Okay. Well, in celebration of Pyro Bandits, we're gonna light these off in Washington State. So we miss you, Pyro Bandits. Come back. Make some good booms. All right, Mr. Boom 2, all the way. Woo. Wow. Felt my back shake on that one. Boom, boom. Oh, the other ones I like too. Nice. That was so epic. What are these? Can you get these open for me? I don't know how good they are. Demon Bowler. Oh. Not very good. Let's see what the tiger ones do. This one's El Tigre. Yeah, they're both not good. Doom boom. Doom boom. Woo. Well, I have plenty more stupid ideas. Alright, so you got Funke, Treno 4. Treno 4. So let me switch hands here. I'm better at recording with my right hand. That one. Always in a alright, FP3 small versus a plastic lid. Wow. Fuse got a kick. Whee! Yeah. Explosive 2. Here we go. What kind of version? X2X? X2X is good, so. Alright, so we'll do Signalos, and I got a explosive 2. Oh, the red fuse. Loud one. Wow, fuse is just not going. Better. Doom boom. I hope it doesn't. Yeah, I'll see yours first. Yeah, that was a doom boom.
That's why we do it here.
Right. Cheap Chinese knockoff rocket. Ah! Alright, doom boom. Fuse is still going. I like how long these fuses are. Oh! Yeah! I got something in my eye. Yeah! Exploder 5. Guess we didn't. I only got 2 more of these, but they're pretty good. Oh, watch out! This one's kind of big. Oh. Yeah, those are worth the buck if I ever lived in Poland. Okay, we got another Doom Boom rocket. I hear it. Wow, nice. Nice. That was a big piece of ice. Alright, well, brought some more goodies.
Shows his business cards.
Right. I saved like, I didn't have the second year we went, but I still got his cards from the
Yeah,
first
I've got the same
3.
ones.
Wow, I don't have the other ones though. These are other Spanish crackers. Oh, Shasta crackers. This is what I wanted. Do one of these. There we go. Yeah, they're pretty good. What's in here? Oh my goodness. Have you ever seen these before? Triangle crackers. Okay, small triangle cracker.
For the sides.
Not bad, yeah. Alright, this is what we call a cowboy cracker. It's a nice fuse. Oh. Oh. Can get stuffed real far back there. It's in there. They're still really loud. Something. So. These good firecrackers here are long due.
I got hit.
You got what?
I got hit. It's time for a special friend. Shasta cracker. Alright, Shasta cracker in the sand. Miss you, Shasta. Whew. Nice. Okay, this is my second to last Doom Boom 5G. I'll save the last for New Year's Eve. Alright, here we go. Nice. You didn't have to pay anything, right? No? Oh, it must have been a recording. Pause the recording. Alright, so I guess I did forget to test one. This is Mini Doom Boom.
Oh.
Yeah. See what this does. Nice. Got that in there. Whee! Can just see the nice fuse sticking out. I'm sorry, but that was funny. It's already rolling. I can cut all of it later.
I felt that.